Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm showing you all another outfit ideas video. Now if you guys want to see my last two outfit ideas videos, I've done a fall outfit ideas and also a back to school one, so make sure to click the I in the corner to go check those out. If you guys enjoy this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up, and while you're down there, subscribe so that you never miss a video. Now let's just get on into the outfit ideas. Let's go! And thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you guys liked it, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and also subscribe right here on the screen so you never miss a video. Make sure that you guys check out my last outfit ideas videos and also watch my last video, which was a March plan with me. And I hope to see you guys next week for another awesome video. Bye!